today's video, we are going to learn about the cp command. The cp command is used to copy files and directories from one location to another. You can think of it as creating a duplicate copy of a file when keeping the original file unchanged. Let's see some practical examples. So currently, I am in my Ubuntu terminal. Let's do ls to list the content inside this directory. See, I have a.txt file in my present working directory. Now, I got a task to create a duplicate of this a.txt. So how we do that? So pretty easy. We use a cp command. Cp is nothing but a copy. So let me type cp, provide the source file name a.txt. Before that, let me read the content inside the a.txt. Cat a.txt. See, this has some content. Okay. Now, as I said, I have given a task to create a duplicate of this file. So let me type cp, the source file name a.txt, and let me provide the destination file name. Okay, so I want the file name should be created as b.txt and just do enter. And if you do ls now, see, now the new file got generated b.txt. And if we read that file, cat b.txt, see, the content of A and the content of B is matching. So this is how we create a duplicate of a file using cp command. Okay, so now what I will do is, now we will copy the content of a.txt to b.txt. How will we do that? It's pretty easy. Again, we use a cp command. So in first we created a duplicate file. In that scenario, we didn't had a b.txt. Okay, but now I have a b.txt. Okay, but what I will do is I will add some content inside a.txt. Okay, so I will just do echo, and what I will do is I will add my channel name infra with Rahul. Okay, and I will add a single directory operation so that the data should be overwritten in the a.txt. Okay, so now if you see cat a.txt, I have a content infra with Rahul. But if you do cat b.txt, which is existing file, it has Rahul. Now I want to copy the content of a.txt into b.txt. How will we do that? It's very pretty cool. Just type cp and provide the source file name a.txt and provide the destination file name where the content should be copied b.txt. That's all. Just to enter. And now if you do cat b.txt, it should be replica of a.txt. So just type cat b.txt. See, the content of a.txt and b.txt is matching. So this is how we copy the files inside the Linux system. Okay, now I got a one more task. Okay, so I want to move, or not move, I want to copy this a.txt b.txt into the backup folder. How will we do this? Okay, it's pretty cool. Just let me create first a b.txt or a backup, sorry, create a backup directory. Backup directory. See, now I have created the backup directory. Let's list it down. See, the backup is here, and let me do ls backup directory name. See, there is no content inside backup directory. So what I will do is, now I will use my cp command to move the files, not move, the copy the files a.txt, b.txt into the backup folder. So let me do cp a.txt, the file names b.txt, and provide the destination directory name where this file should be copied. So that's all, backup, and just to enter ls. See, we have these files existing here as well, and if you move to the backup directory, do ls. See, we have also copied these files under backup directory as well. So if you can verify doing the cat a.txt, also cat b.txt, see, the content is matching. So this is how we use cp command to copy the files from one directory to another directory. Now the first scenario is I want to copy the directory into backup directory. So how we do this? As I said, it's pretty easy by using cp command. So let me create one directory naming as demo. Okay, and I will create some files inside this demo directory. Cd demo, sorry, cd demo. Yeah, okay. I will create a file called touch demo.txt. That's all. If you do ls, see, now our demo directory contains demo.txt file. Just let's go to cd, back to our home directory, and what I will do is I will copy this demo directory inside backup. So cp provide your directory name demo and the destination directory name backup. Now we should get a error. Enter. See, it is saying that cp hyphen are not specified, omitting directory demo. So what we need to do is cp hyphen r recursive and provide the source directory name and the destination directory name backup. ba backup. Just to enter. Now the demo directory should be copied inside the backup directory easily. Just to enter. And let's verify it by going into the backup directory. cd backup. Just to ls. See, we have a demo directory inside the backup directory. And let's read the content inside the demo directory. Just use ls and provide the directory name demo. See, we have the demo.txt. So this is how we used copy command to duplicate the file, to copy the files, to move the files from one directory to another, and to move the directories from one directory to another. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. If you like my content, please do like, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.